We came out yesterday and checked out this hike. We hiked in about 0.4 to get into the Union Creek Falls. And the first one there, it's about a 60-foot falls that's hidden behind some rocks. The hike today up to the PCT is about 6.2 miles, and it's going to follow the Union Creek, and we should see a couple more waterfalls. Waterfall is a side trail behind the trees here. We're going to skip it, and I'll just add some photos from yesterday. Yesterday, the skies were pretty hazy because of fires, not in the immediate area, but just the smoky air blowing in. Seems to be a little bit clearer this morning, so we hope that we have clear skies. We can see the creek down there. We can also see the fire damage. I don't know exactly what year it was, but fire burned through the area, and you can see a lot of this. They're still standing, but the dead trees. So the trail starts around 3,500 elevation, and we expect to gain at least 2,200 or so today. Just to the left of the trail here, we're seeing the North Fork of the Union Creek, and there's the waterfall there. The trail's going to go up a little bit on the creek, and then we're going to cross over and continue on. Hi, well, we've come in about 1.5 miles and gained about 600 feet so far. We were taking a break to get some water, put on some more mosquito spray because they're starting to come out. It's sad to see the damage from the fire, and this area we're in right here looks like there was a washout from a flood. But the little baby trees are starting. They're about 1 foot tall. They're birds and chipmunks, and we saw a doe and a fawn. So, so far it's been a nice hike, and it hasn't gotten too hot yet. Well, we're coming along here now where the trees are a bit thicker, and we're closer to the creek, and there's lots of pink fireweed.
Look at that. Yeah.
This section must have burned really hot. A lot of the tree trunks are totally blackened. And there's the creek just to the left. Well, I just wanted to show you that There have been quite a few blowdowns. These trees are all standing but dead. And so it's been a little bit of a challenge to navigate around all of these blowdowns. Here's what the trail looks like ahead. There's lots of blowdowns, and we've been kind of coming through this, and this is almost impassable now. We don't want to keep fighting our way through trees that are down with limbs and stuff. We've come to the point where there are a few live trees still. We've come in about 3.5 miles. So yeah, the weather's getting warmer. It's hot. It's supposed to be 90 today, so we figure we got about 3.5 miles to go back, and we're just gonna enjoy it. We saw some elk, and we've seen lots of chipmunks and birds, and so it's been a nice nature hike, but it's been rough because there's so many blowdown trees, and it's not that pretty. It's kind of disappointing, and it's not really depressing, but it's sad that the fire came through here and destroyed so much of the forest. Well, we're back at the trailhead, and we've cooled off for a few minutes. There's a really nice picnic area here with a couple picnic tables, and you can sit by the creek. There's the first waterfall, I think, is really family friendly, and we've seen some people going hiking over there. Right now, I would recommend, if you're going to do this hike, just go to the second waterfall that we did. Going past there was a little burned out, rough going, lots of blowdowns, and there are evidence of little trees getting started, and I think I would like to do this hike again in about 5 years and see how the forest is getting rejuvenated. So thanks again for joining us, and have a lovely day.